Excuse me. Hello, everybody. My name is Joyce McTeer. I'm coming to y'all today with a video, of course. But this video, y'all, I had to do it twice. Yes, I had to do it twice. Yesterday, I went to Walmart, and Walmart had these beads, and I'm going to show y'all when I get a Kodak moment. When I get back home, I'm going to show y'all exactly the beads that I'm talking about. I was in Walmart yesterday, and I got up to the register, and I found out that these beads that I bought were pretty much on clearance. Yes, clearance. But you won't believe how much they were. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I made a decision to go to Walmart again to see if it would happen again. Now, sometimes when Walmart have things on clearance, you don't really know it's on clearance until you actually get up to the register. Because I bought some bandanas not too long ago, and those bandanas were 50 cents a piece. But by the time I got up to the register, I got 6 of those bandanas. By the time I got up to the register, they were 25 cents a piece. Yes. So I had to do it again, y'all. I had to go just to see if what I experienced yesterday was what I really experienced. So yesterday, I went to Walmart, and I wound up getting, and I don't have the beads in front of me right now, but I'm going to show y'all what I got. I wound up getting these beads for $1. Yes, I said it, $1. Okay? Now, I wanted to make sure that what I experienced yesterday, I was going to experience it again today. So, I went again, and they were still on clearance for $1. Shh, don't tell nobody. I don't know if this is national for all Walmarts, but my Walmart had these for $1. And I'm going to tell y'all, I ain't going to tell you to go there to look for these beads, because I don't want nobody to get mad at me and saying, Joyce, they weren't on clearance. But I got my receipt, and I'm going to show you on my receipt where they were $1. So, let's get into this. I had to do it twice, y'all. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all. So before I actually do my great, awesome reveal, I want to tell y'all something. I did a purchase from Amazon, I'm going to say a couple months ago, and I thought I was getting some really good, wonderful quality wood beads. But I'm going to tell y'all, when I got those beads, I was so disappointed. They were like, the colors was really faded. I was just really, really disappointed. So I was like, instead of me ordering off of Amazon, I'm going to go to Walmart. So that's what led me to go to Walmart yesterday. And I wound up getting these beads, okay? So let me show y'all this great reveal, okay? Ta-da! These right here was $1. Look at this. And I know a lot of people are familiar with this. A lot of people have bought these wooden beads from Walmart. But let me tell y'all something. I couldn't help myself. I had to do it twice, y'all. I know I've said that quite a few times already in the video, but I got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I got 4 of them. Yes, I was being greedy. I sure was. Because I keep telling y'all, when you run into a sale or a bargain or Walmart have clearance stuff, that's the time for you to jump on it, okay? Because as a crafter, you're trying to save money. You know, you're trying to save money, as much money as possible. So when you run across a sale like this and you only get it for $1, and I'm just going to go. Now, I don't have my receipt for yesterday, but I do have my receipt for today so that y'all can actually see that I'm not making this up. $1 wood beads. Okay? $1. So, with that being said, don't pass up on no, don't pass it up, y'all. If you're in the Dollar Tree, get yours, okay? Because I'm going to tell you something. It's been many, many, many times where I will see something and then I'll say, you know what, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wait. And it'll be something really nice and I'll pass on it. And then when I come back to it, it's gone. The Dollar Tree had some beads, not the beads that I showed y'all in the other haul with the shells. The Dollar Tree had some beads, y'all, and they were awesome. They had some real colorful beads. I bypassed on it, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to wait till another time. I waited. I went back, and they were all gone. Get yours, okay? That's what I'm talking about. Get your goodness. Get your goodies when you can, okay? Yes, 10 ounces. And I'm not bragging, but I'm telling you, when I go out and I'm looking for stuff, if it's a bargain and I have the money, I'm going to get it. And what's $1? Like, what's $1 compared to the money that you're going to make from this? Okay? So I just wanted to share that with y'all today. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And I appreciate y'all so very much for watching my videos. So have a great day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.